IP-20C Direct Mount with splitter, 2+2 or 4+0. The 2-feet antenna shown in this video is an Andrew antenna, which has a tilt mechanism that must be assembled to the antenna. Make sure to use grease in the marked places indicated on this video. Using grease will prevent seizing between bolts and nuts. You should also use grease on the bracket that connects directly to the antenna to make up and down alignment smoother. Use the short bolt as the pivot bolt in the middle of the bracket. Before connecting the OMT, make sure the O-ring is in its proper place on the antenna side. Use a 13mm wrench to tighten the OMT bolts and torque to 20 Newton meters. Make sure to locate the bolts in the middle of the oval holes and to cross-tighten them. Before connecting the splitter to the OMT, make sure that the two O-rings are in their proper place. Use a 13mm wrench to tighten the splitter bolts and torque to 20 Newton meters. Cross-tighten the bolts. Before connecting the radios to the splitter, make sure that the two O-rings are in their proper place for each side. Use a 6mm Allen key to tighten the bolts and torque to 20 Newton meters. Cross-tighten the bolts. Use a 17mm wrench key to tighten the nuts connecting the alignment mechanism to the pole. Torque to 38 Newton meters and make sure the antenna is in the required azimuth before tightening.